Do you know that most project managers in India don't actually begin their careers as project managers? Many start as engineers, analysts, or even freshers who have little idea about project management. This journey is more common than you might think. So how do these professionals eventually land roles that pay Rupee 20-30 LPA or more? In this video, we'll break down the exact roadmap to becoming a project manager in India, using real-life examples and actionable steps. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a career switch, this guide will help you understand the process and what it truly takes. Hi everyone, and welcome to PM Mastery Lab, your go-to place for simplifying project management and growing your career step by step. Here we break down complex concepts, share practical advice, and guide you through every stage of your professional journey. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone considering a switch to project management, you'll find valuable insights and real-world strategies to help you succeed. Let's dive in and explore what it really means to be a project manager in India. Simplify the role of a project manager. It's not just about tracking tasks or making to-do lists. A project manager acts as the bridge between the business, the team, and the client. You'll be handling delays, resolving conflicts, managing risks, and setting expectations. For example, imagine a company in Bangalore building a mobile app. Developers are coding, designers are designing, and the client wants fast delivery. The project manager ensures the work stays on schedule, the client is satisfied, and the team isn't overloaded. In short, you're the problem solver and the decision maker. Let's be honest, technical skills alone won't make you a successful project manager. In India, what really matters are your communication skills, your ability to take ownership, and your knack for handling stakeholders. You need to explain complex things simply, take responsibility when things go wrong, and manage difficult clients or senior management. Planning and prioritization are also crucial. For instance, if a construction project faces a material delivery delay, a good project manager doesn't panic. Instead, they rearrange tasks, inform stakeholders, and minimize the impact on the project. Here's a reality check. There's no direct project manager job for freshers in India. The typical career path starts with entry-level roles like engineer or analyst, then moves to senior roles, project coordinator, and finally project manager. Take Priya's story as an example. She began as a software tester in Pune, started handling sprint planning and client calls, and within 4 years she transitioned into a project manager role. This gradual progression is common, and each step helps you build the skills and experience needed for the next level. First step to becoming a project manager is to start from your current position, no matter your background. Whether you're in IT, mechanical, civil, or any other field, your journey can begin right where you are. The key is to recognize opportunities to take on more responsibility and to be proactive in your current role. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the ideal job title. Start building your skills and experience from day one. Once you've decided to pursue project management, the next step is to volunteer for responsibility. Take ownership of small tasks, handle timelines, or coordinate with team members. These experiences will help you develop essential project management skills and demonstrate your initiative to your managers. By stepping up and taking charge, you'll start to build a reputation as someone who can be trusted with bigger challenges. Learning project management concepts on the job is crucial. Focus on understanding scope, cost, schedule, and risk management. These are the building blocks of any successful project. As you encounter real-world challenges, apply these concepts to solve problems and improve project outcomes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in handling complex situations and making informed decisions. Documenting your experience is a step many overlook, but it's extremely important, especially for interviews. Keep a record of the projects you've worked on, your specific contributions, and the outcomes achieved. This documentation will not only help you prepare for interviews, but also give you a clear sense of your growth and achievements over time. It's a powerful tool for showcasing your skills and experience. After gaining some experience in documenting your work, aim to move into coordination roles such as project coordinator or team lead. These positions will give you more exposure to project management responsibilities and help you develop leadership skills. You'll be managing timelines, coordinating between teams, and ensuring that projects run smoothly. This is a critical step on the path to becoming a project manager. Certifications can give your career a significant boost, though they are optional. Consider pursuing certifications like CAPM if you're a beginner, PMP if you have more experience, or Scrum Master if you're interested in IT companies. These credentials are highly valued in the industry and can set you apart from other candidates. However, remember that certifications are most powerful when combined with real-world experience. Simplify the certification landscape in India. CAPM is a great starting point for beginners, PMP is ideal for those with experience, and Scrum Master is in high demand, especially in IT companies. But here, the key: certification without experience has limited value. The most powerful combination is real-world experience plus a recognized certification. This pairing can open doors and accelerate your career growth. Let's talk about salaries. For those with 0-3 years of experience, you can expect Rupee 4-8 LPA. With 4-8 years, salaries rise to Rupee 10-20 LPA. And for those with over 8 years of experience, it's possible to earn Rupee 20-40 plus LPA. For example, a project manager in a Bangalore IT company with 6-8 years of experience can easily earn Rupee 8-25 LPA. These numbers are realistic and reflect the current market trends in India. Many aspiring project managers delay their growth by making common mistakes: waiting for a promotion instead of taking initiative, focusing only on technical skills, neglecting stakeholder management, and ignoring communication are some of the biggest pitfalls. In India, career growth comes from visibility and responsibility, not just hard work. Being proactive and developing a well-rounded skill set is essential for moving up the ladder. If you're serious about becoming a project manager in India, start taking ownership today. Don't wait for the official title, begin building your skills and taking on responsibilities in your current job. The reality is you often become a project manager before you actually get the title. Focus on continuous learning, proactive problem solving, and building strong relationships with your team and stakeholders. Communication is one of the most critical skills for any project manager. You'll need to explain complex ideas in simple terms, keep everyone informed, and ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page. Good communication can prevent misunderstandings, resolve conflicts, and keep projects moving forward smoothly. Make it a habit to communicate clearly and regularly with your team and clients. Managing stakeholders is a key part of project management. This means understanding their needs, addressing their concerns, and keeping them engaged throughout the project. Whether you're dealing with clients, senior management, or team members, your ability to handle stakeholders effectively will set you apart as a project manager. Build trust, listen actively, and always keep communication lines open. Planning and prioritization are at the heart of successful project management. You'll need to set clear goals, create realistic timelines, and prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Effective planning helps you anticipate challenges and allocate resources efficiently. Prioritization ensures that the most critical tasks are completed first, keeping the project on track and within scope. Ownership mindset is what separates great project managers from the rest. This means taking responsibility for outcomes even when things go wrong. Instead of blaming others, focus on finding solutions and learning from mistakes. When you demonstrate ownership, your team and managers will trust you with more responsibilities, accelerating your growth and career progression. Let's revisit Priya's journey. She started as a software tester in Pune, gradually took on more responsibilities like sprint planning and client calls, and transitioned into a project manager role within 4 years. Her story shows that with the right mindset and actions, you can move up the ladder quickly. Priya's experience highlights the importance of volunteering for new tasks and continuously building your skills. As we wrap up, remember that the journey to becoming a project manager is ongoing. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep leading. Every experience, challenge, and project adds to your skill set and prepares you for bigger opportunities. Stay proactive, embrace new challenges, and never stop developing yourself. Your path to becoming a successful project manager in India starts today. If you're interested in mastering project management concepts explained in simple, practical ways, make sure to check out more from PM Mastery Lab. We regularly share videos on project management fundamentals, Agile and Scrum concepts, PMP exam tips, and real-world project examples. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.